everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and today I'm launching my December stamping selections. All of the details are over on my blog at Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I will just say that if you want to view the full facilities over on my blog, don't go just via a mobile phone, because some of the icons and some of the tabs at the top for the different categories don't show up on mobile phones. So do use your PC, your laptop or your tablet. And at the top you will see a banner that says December stamping selections, and if you click on that it gives you the prices, because I have two different bundles available. Okay, so the Premier bundle will include the addition of the stamp and thinlits package. Now, choosing the Premier bundle means you get the standard stamping selections kit, and you're opting to add in the stamp and thinlits bundle. My thinlits haven't arrived yet. I've had the stamp a while. It's absolutely stunning, and we're going to be making some beautiful projects with this, because I am going to provide you with a PDF sheet with some stunning projects for this one. I've got some really special ones in mind. It's a beautiful set. So you've got the option of adding those and making your Stampin' Selections kit a Premier bundle. Now, the Stampin' Selections standard kit is all of these items, and it is all based around the Petal Promenade suite, which is a beautiful suite. It's one of my favourites. It's floral, it's romantic, it's beautiful. So this is the DSP, and you're going to get a full half pack of this. Okay, and it's going to stay in the 12 by 12 format. I'm not going to cut it up. We've got some frames, we've got borders you can cut out. It's absolutely stunning. It's all double-sided. On some sides we've got like marble effect, so it all does coordinate together beautifully. So you're going to get half a pack of that. As I say, I don't cut it up. You get it in the full 12 by 12 format. Okay, so that then you can decide what you'd like to do with it. You're also going to get a selection of the coordinating cardstock, which comes with the DSP. Okay, so that those colours match perfectly. Alright. Now, on top of that, I have got a specific project that I'm going to be showcasing on the PDF that I send you. And for that, we're going to need some really thick cardstock. So you're going to get some of the thick Whisper White and thick Very Vanilla cardstock. Okay, you're also going to get some of the beautiful vellum. We're going to use this in one of the projects. Okay, you're going to get some of these wooden elements, which are called frames elements. They're absolutely beautiful, and I just think they go lovely. You're going to get some of the Petal Pink rhinestone gems, which are just beautiful. I love them. We're going to be making a project with these, so you're going to get some of these, and these are the lustrous white mini gable boxes. So they've got a bit of a shimmer to them. They're a little bit different than the standard ones. These have got a very slight, like they've been sprayed with glimmer mist. They're beautiful, so you're going to get some of those. Now you're going to get, we're going to have some in the kit, some of the acetate card boxes, and this is because we're going to make a specific project. We're going to make a boxed project that's going to be on the PDF, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So some of those will be in the kit, and some of the envelopes. So we've got the vanilla, Very Vanilla, and the Whisper White to go with the thick cardstock. We're going to be making an awesome project. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So in there you're also going to get some stamping dimensionals. My kits wouldn't be complete without some beautiful ribbons and trims. So we have got these, which are absolutely stunning. This one is the, what colour is it? I think it's mini ruffled ribbon. And what colour is it? Is it Petal Pink? I think it's Petal Pink, I can't remember. Powder Pink, I beg your pardon. And just look at this, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's like flat in the middle and then ruffled around the edge. It's super pretty, so you're going to get some of that. And then this beautiful ribbon is going to coordinate beautifully, because this colour is in the suite. And this is a sheer ribbon. Let me see if I can just get that open. Should have opened it before I started filming, really. Do excuse me one moment while I try and open that. Get my scissors on the case. There we go. and it's beautiful. Sheer, that's Old Olive, it's beautiful. So that is going to coordinate perfectly with our projects, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do on your PDF that you're going to get. You also do get all the postage and packaging is free, and the pricing is all over on my blog, and everything is lined out. Exactly what you're getting is over there. So if you'd like to order these, I will say I am closing orders early this month because we do have Christmas and we do have the Christmas post. Now I don't mind working right up until Christmas Eve, doesn't bother me, but I'm mindful of you lovely lot getting your kits before Christmas. So I am cutting off ordering by the 10th of December, please, so that I have then got plenty of time to get the rest of what I need from Stampin' Up, get it packaged, get it all beautifully presented and get it back out to you. I will be presenting this beautifully. I am adding some die cuts from a different stamp set because it's going to go with one of the specific projects that I'm making. So you're just going to get that little bit extra in this one. It is Christmas. You will get a little sweeter, and if you do get a handmade thank you card, and I'm also going to be adding customer loyalty tokens to all of my kits from now on for you to collect. So there you go. So hop on over to scrimpingmommy.co.uk, have a look at what's exactly in the kit. Every single penny that you pay for the standard kit is in product. The free services are in your postage and packing. I pay your postage. I pay for everything else. The rest is all there. Every single penny is in your kit. Okay? And if you would like to, as I say, if you'd like to order one, you can contact me by email or over on Facebook, however you find easiest. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!